Welcome to the top best. The best Effaclar Serum is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those battling persistent acne and blemishes, offering a potent blend of ingredients designed to visibly transform troubled skin. This ultra-concentrated formula targets imperfections at their source, working to reduce the appearance of dark spots, post-acne marks, and enlarged pores, all while promoting a smoother, more refined skin texture. If you're tired of dealing with breakouts that leave their mark and are looking for a powerful, yet gentle, serum that delivers noticeable results, then this might just be the game-changer your skincare routine has been waiting for. Number 5. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Ultralight Sunscreen SPF 40. Introducing our advanced broad-spectrum SPF 40 sunscreen. It offers powerful protection against harmful sun rays. Experience its ultralight fluid texture that feels weightless on your skin. It's designed for comfortable, everyday wear. Formulated with titanium dioxide, this mineral sunscreen provides gentle yet effective defense. It's a great choice for sensitive skin. Enjoy its fast-absorbing and oil-free properties, preventing any greasy residue. It leaves your skin feeling fresh and clean. Achieve a smooth, matte finish with this face sunscreen. It's perfect for creating a flawless base before makeup application. Make it your daily essential for reliable sun protection. It keeps your skin safe and comfortable all day long. What we like. This sunscreen offers a lightweight, fluid texture that absorbs quickly. It provides a matte finish, making it ideal for those who dislike greasy sunscreens. If you have oily or combination skin and are looking for daily sun protection without shine, this is a great choice. What people say. It's a great product for acne and blemishes. This serum helps to reduce the appearance of pores and improve skin texture. It is effective in treating blackheads and whiteheads. Number 4. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair UV SPF Moisturizer. Introducing a daily facial moisturizer designed to provide essential hydration. It also offers reliable sun protection to keep your skin healthy. This formula is enriched with niacinamide and glycerin. These ingredients work together to soothe and moisturize your skin effectively. Experience a lightweight, oil-free feel that won't clog pores. It's suitable for daily use, even on sensitive skin. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays with broad-spectrum SPF 30. This helps prevent sun damage and premature aging. It helps to repair the skin's natural barrier while providing moisturizing sun protection. Enjoy healthier-looking skin with every application. Make this your go-to product for daily skincare needs. It simplifies your routine by combining hydration and sun defense in one step. What we like. This moisturizer combines hydration with sun protection in one step. It's formulated with niacinamide and glycerin to help repair the skin barrier. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one daily moisturizer with SPF that won't feel heavy, this is perfect for you. What people say. Light, oil-free, easily absorbed. No greasy residue, no heavy film, no uncomfortable sticky feeling. Right after applying, the skin feels hydrated and replenished, thanks to ceramide 3, niacinamide, and glycerin, yet breathable. The double repair claim is no marketing fluff. My skin's barrier has noticeably improved with continued use. Breakouts have stayed away, irritation is reduced, redness lessens. Built-in SPF 30 UVA UVB protection. So many morning moisturizers require layering with a separate sunscreen, which often leads to pilling or layering issues. With this moisturizer, I feel confident stepping outside, skin looks even, feels protected, and there's no white cast or heavy sunscreen smell. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Pure 12% Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of pure vitamin C. This potent serum is designed to boost your skin's natural radiance and visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates your skin. It also contains salicylic acid to help refine your pores and improve skin texture. We offer 2 specialized formulas to perfectly suit your skin type. Choose the one that best addresses your unique needs for optimal results. If you have normal skin, this formula provides balanced hydration and radiance. It works to enhance your complexion without feeling heavy. For those with oily skin, this version helps control shine while delivering anti-aging benefits. It refines pores and leaves your skin feeling fresh. Experience a smoother, brighter, and more youthful-looking complexion. It's your daily essential for revitalized skin. What we like. This serum is designed to brighten your complexion and combat signs of aging. It contains a potent vitamin C formula along with hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. If you're aiming to achieve a more radiant, youthful glow and address fine lines, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This serum goes on smooth and absorbs quickly without feeling sticky. It brightens my skin and keeps it looking even. It feels so luxurious applied to the skin, and my moisturizer goes on well on top. This really lightened my face without any breakouts or bad effects. It says Vit C serum is better to use on daytime because it helps neutralize free radicals caused by sun exposure, pollution, and environmental stressors during the day. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Pure Retinol Face Serum with Vitamin B3. Discover the power of our new Pure Retinol Face Serum. It's formulated with vitamin B3 to help resurface and hydrate your skin. This potent serum is designed to combat lines, wrinkles, and signs of premature sun damage. Reveal a smoother, more youthful complexion. Even though it's powerful, it's suitable for sensitive skin. Experience effective anti-aging without irritation. Watch as it works to resurface your skin's texture. It also provides essential hydration for a plump, healthy look. See a noticeable difference in your skin's appearance. It helps to refine and renew for a radiant glow. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for continuous improvement. Enjoy smoother, firmer-looking skin over time. What we like. This is a powerful anti-aging serum that targets lines and wrinkles. It works to resurface the skin while providing hydration, and it's suitable even for sensitive skin. If you're concerned about aging signs and sun damage, and need a potent yet gentle treatment, consider this serum. What people say. It's strong enough to make a difference but still gentle compared to other retinols I've tried. My skin feels smoother and looks more even, especially with fine lines and texture. The formula feels lightweight, absorbs well, and doesn't leave my skin greasy. The texture is lightweight, absorbs well, and doesn't feel sticky or greasy. My skin feels more protected and balanced, not oily, and over time it looks smoother and more refreshed. Over time, I've noticed a visible improvement in skin texture, smoothness, and overall radiance. Fine lines appear softer and my skin looks more refined and even-toned. The inclusion of vitamin B3 adds a hydrating, soothing element, which makes it particularly suitable for sensitive skin. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Effaclar Salicylic Acid Serum. Introducing a powerful solution for your skin concerns. This serum is specifically designed to combat acne and blemishes effectively. Formulated with 1.5% salicylic acid, glycolic acid, and niacinamide, it works to deeply cleanse your pores. These ingredients are known for their ability to improve skin texture and clarity. Struggling with blackheads and whiteheads? This treatment helps to visibly reduce their appearance. Achieve a smoother, clearer complexion with consistent use. Say goodbye to persistent pimples. It actively works to reduce inflammation and breakouts. Experience a calmer, more even-toned skin surface. Concerned about the marks left behind by acne? This serum also helps to fade post-acne marks. Reveal brighter, more uniform skin over time. Despite its powerful action, it's formulated to be gentle on your skin. Enjoy the benefits of a targeted treatment without excessive dryness or irritation. What we like. This serum is specifically formulated to tackle acne and its aftermath. It effectively clears blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples while also working to reduce post-acne marks. If you struggle with persistent breakouts and are looking for a solution to achieve clearer skin, this is the one to try. What people say. It has helped reduce my acne and the marks left by it. My skin feels smoother and looks brighter after using it for a few weeks. The serum absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.